Welcome to Free Fridays.
What did you just say?
Fridays.
Free Fridays?
Yeah, you've never heard of Fridays?
Free Fridays.
Come
I
on,
like it,
Kaylee,
yeah.
I thought we've been doing this for a while. So we changed the name, and the name is very fitting to our audience, and it's now Free Fridays. So first off, I mean, we got a lot to talk about today. A lot of new stuff coming down the pipeline. The first thing we are going to be doing is we're going to have TJ Ware giving you a bunch of advice, okay? Ton of advice. We want to give value on this show. That is the goal. And we also want to give you a bunch of free Yeah.
Free shit.
So second, the Win the Storm Conference. I hope you know about Win the Storm Conference. If you don't, you should. All right, so we're going to give you a little info on updates for Win the Storm Conference. We are going to be adding a hail report. Yeah.
Ooh,
yeah,
a
hail
hail
report. Season has come early, my friends. So we're going to be doing a hail report.
It literally snowed here the other day.
It did.
On Monday. It
snowed
in Scottsdale.
in the valley in Arizona. It's kind of weird. So then we have the SpeakEasy podcast, the Incubator. We're going to give you Anthony Delmedico's book. Oh, yeah. So I know he loves when we give away free shit. So we're going to give away Anthony's book. And then stick around to the end because we have TJ Ware giving you some free
shit.
Exactly. So stick around. I think you're going to like what we got for you.
At the end of March, we have an opportunity to attend the biggest and best restoration industry conference. Win the Storm has more energy and sophistication than any conference I've attended. You guys will have opportunities to grow your knowledge and your network while meeting industry leaders, new vendors, learning about technologies and systems and processes that are going to grow your business. You have opportunities to hype up your sales team. There's even an award ceremony for the guys that sell the most roofs. This is a great opportunity to grow your company and grow yourself. There's going to be incredible parties at night in the heart of New Orleans. So, on March 31st, I want to see you guys there and Win the Storm.
All right, I hope you got some good advice from TJ. Let's talk a little bit about TJ, okay? Let's give him a little insight.
All right. So TJ is a public adjuster for Paradise Claims.
Yep.
He spent a lot of time in Louisiana, Lake Charles, helping out. So he's actually up for a Hurricane Hero Award this year at Win the Storm.
Heck yeah.
He did a lot of work out there with his wife, Jackie. They did a very good job. He's also up for Public Adjuster of the Year Award. So make sure you guys vote.
Yes, make sure you vote. And where can you vote at?
You can vote at
winthestorm.com/industry-awards. There you go. So that is a big thing coming down the pipeline. But yeah, TJ has been a good friend of ours, but also has been a huge contributor to the Win the Storm conference, okay? So let's jump into the Win the Storm, all right? We got a bunch of updates. We are now counting 60 days, okay? So around 60 days till the Win the Storm conference. It's March 31st to April 2nd, all right? So if you haven't got your tickets, you need to get your tickets. And that goes for anybody in the general admission, the VIP, but that's also vendors as well because the vendor floor is 70% sold out.
70%?
Yep, 70% sold out, all right? So the goal is obviously to sell that out. Mike's goal is to sell it out and move the wall so that we can actually add more people. So make sure you guys jump in because you're going to get better spots, right? The better spot, the more sales you're going to get. And then also our VIP tickets, okay? So the VIP tickets are also selling out. And Anthony always says VIP is the place to be.
It sure is,
right?
Especially this year.
Yes. So, I mean, these are the shakers and the movers of the industry. These are all the keynote speakers. These are all the top-level CEOs and salesmen that are in the industry, okay? So if you're not VIP, you're not going to be shaking hands with these people, and that is your goal. That should be your goal when you go to the Win the Storm conference because it's all about networking and hanging out with the key players in the industry. Am I wrong?
You are not wrong.
There you go. So that is a big update, okay? So get your VIP tickets today. You can call Kaylee. You can also email her. What's your email?
Kaylee, KAYLIE@svgcorp.com.
And I guarantee you she's going to give you a deal that you cannot refuse, okay? And then let's talk about your ambassador program.
Yes.
This is huge. This is huge for everybody out there. So she's got an ambassador program right now, and we're killing it with it. So let's give them a little update.
All right, so I'm basically finding 20 ambassadors to help promote Win the Storm, to earn a little sales commission for themselves. 10%
Camille.
10% sales commission on every single VIP or GA ticket that they sell.
Yep.
And then there is a big prize, Kyle.
Oh, what is that?
Big prize. So the winner, whoever sells the most, will get 2 VIP tickets to Win the Storm.
2.
A private jet. And what's the word I'm looking for? Thanks to...
Like a G6?
Oh, no, a private jet in courtesy of.
Oh, yeah, and courtesy of.
A privacy jet, courtesy of. A private jet, courtesy of Tad Recovery. TW Mock was nice enough to loan us his jet.
He was actually here today. Great guy, doing huge things for the industry, especially those commercial buildings.
Yes.
That guy's killing the game, okay? So you got your private jet going on, right? What else? What do we got?
A 5-night stay at the Higgins Hotel. Again, 10% commission on all your sales.
Yep.
And then we also have a spot to be a host and moderator for the $1 Million Producer Panel.
And that's
on the main stage
huge.
at the conference.
That's huge credibility. Being on that stage is also, I mean, all your photos, all your videos, that will propel you into the next level of the industry, okay? Yeah. So I highly advise you to jump on this train, okay, because this ambassador program is going to be huge at the end of the day, but also the people that are part of it, we just give you a link. All you got to do is pretty much share that link on your social medias, get your tribe involved. And why wouldn't you want to send them to the #1 roofing and restoration conference in the industry anyway? So you're doing them a favor, all right? Also, you're going to be mobbing out with all of your friends. So at the end of the day, why wouldn't you go and be an ambassador, okay? Right. It's a win-win for everyone. So that's our ambassador program. That's Win the Storm. So, hail report. Yes, hail report.
I'm ready.
Courtesy of Hail Trace. They did not pay me to do that. I just really like Derek Klein, and Hail Trace is awesome. So we've got Texas, all right? So Texas just got nailed, right? This is huge for all of you, all the roofers out there, because we know there's a lot of them. So we got Welch, Texas. What else do we got? Quarter Size in Dallas. We know there's a lot of roofing companies out there. So that's going to be Texas right now. We got Oklahoma just got hit. We got Quarter Size in Kentucky. We got 1 inch in Tennessee. What? Tennessee, what's up? Reppin', all those tobacco fields. And the 2 biggest ones, I believe, is the 2-incher in Mississippi. Okay, that's number 2. And then our prayers for all the people in the subs of Birmingham, Alabama, for the F3 150-mile-per-hour tornado that went through there. So, you know, all those people are with us in our prayers from SVG. We're all rooting for you out there, but also the good work and deeds that all the roofing and restoration companies are doing out there to help and support. We know you guys are doing that, so kudos to you, okay? So that's our hail report. I'm going to do this every single week because I just feel like everybody needs to be updated, and once again, we just want to give a bunch of value to everybody that just jumps on the show, right?
Who needs Hail Trace?
Yeah, no, who needs Hail Trace? We also got our SpeakEasy podcast. Anthony's been doing a ton of SpeakEasies, all right?
Yes.
And they're highly educational at the end of the day, and it's another way to give back and give you guys value. Also, so that you can step into Anthony's life and just hear just 20 years of experience in what he's done, right? Who have we had?
We've had Derek Klein. We had Jonathan Sherwood. We
had Paul Reed too.
Eric Wynn.
Yep, Eric Wynn.
We have Ryan Stuman coming in.
We down the
Bradley
pipeline.
Gardner coming up.
Yep. We have John Marone. Yep. He was a main stage speaker last year. John Marone, I love that guy. He's awesome. So we've got him coming down the pipeline as well. So if you guys want to be a part of that SpeakEasy, you have some knowledge that you want to give out, go ahead and hit up Kaylee. Message us in the comments. Just let us know that you want to be a part of it. If you got something you want to share with the industry, this show is going to help you, and it's going to help you gain what? more followers. It's going to help you gain
exposure.
more exposure. It's going to get yourself out there to the marketplace, and that's what we want to help with, okay? Also, Anthony loves being on that Speakeasy and just picking people's brains, you know? So, yeah, let us know if you want to be a part of it. The Incubator, huge, okay? So Anthony added this to our Rolodex, and the Incubator is really cool because if you're a business owner and you're trying to get to that next level, whether it's just in your business, you have a couple pain points, or if you need help with your marketing, Anthony will bring you in for a day, okay? He'll take your business, it's called a SWOT analysis, right? So he goes and walks you through and picks apart your business. He looks at your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and your threats. And he really identifies those pain points in each area, and he builds upon them. So then what he does is after he's whiteboarding all that out, he then brings you into the green screen, and then you guys do courses on it, and you take that content, and we not only put it into the SVG University, right? We also do a podcast, and Anthony does a podcast to educate him on those, on everything that you guys built upon. And then if you guys shoot some really good content, which I believe you should, I mean, yeah, that's what Anthony's really good at. Yeah, we got a good crew. Then we chop that up and we can market that to our audience, okay? So if you want to be a part of that as well, hit up Kaylee, message us in the comments, or just, you know how to get a hold of us. And then the last part is we're going to give you the Win the Game book, okay? So Win the Game book, that's 20 years of Anthony's life, how he scaled his business to, what, 172 million in sales. You go to winthegamebook.com, and you can download a free copy there for yourself, okay? So if you're trying to get to that next level, you're trying to learn more about roofing and restoration industry, go on there and download that book, and I guarantee you it's going to be huge value for you. There's got to be one takeaway you can take away from that book. I guarantee you're going to get at least 30 of them, but one takeaway should be able to help you get to that next level, all right? So after that, what do we got?
We are going to see what TJ Ware is giving away. Remember, guys, if you are interested and you are a vendor or affiliate on being a giveaway for one of our weeks each week, let me know, and we will get something going for you. We have plenty of spots for you.
Yep, and it's a lot of exposure as well. So if you guys want to be involved with that, just let us know. So we are now going to have TJ's son give away some free shit.
If you don't have a drone or you even a roofer, this is why Paradise Claims is teaming up with SVG to give away this amazing Mavic Mini. It has an HD camera, a 3-axis gimbal, GPS, and a 30-minute flight time.
Welcome back, guys. It is time for our giveaway.
Yay!
We're going to be giving away 2 GA tickets, and then, of course, we're going to be giving away that drone.
Thank you, TJ. So, yeah, we're going to be giving away that drone. I know you just saw, I believe that's TJ's son, right?
I believe so.
His little stud. He's got a big family. Yeah, he's got a big family. Good job. Good job. So, first, we'll give away what? We'll give away 2 tickets, and then we'll save the best for the last. So, let's go ahead and spin this baby. Woo! And it's all good. Let's see what we got here.
Let's see. All right. We got Patrick Garcia.
Patrick Garcia, congratulations. Woo! You are going to the Win the Storm conference.
Yeah.
All right, so nothing's stopping you from upgrading to VIP. So make sure, remember, VIP is the place to be.
Is the place to be.
All right, Win the Storm ticket number 2. Booyah, baby. Let's go.
Baby.
Yep. Uh-oh, there's one stuck in the top.
Oh, I'll just pick that one, okay? Okay. Get it. Zach Boger.
Zach Boger. Congratulations. Woo! That's number 2. So we got 2 winners today for our GA tickets. We will be seeing you at the Win the Storm conference. All right, and last but not least.
This is the real shit right here.
This is the real shit. All right? So, this is the drone. This is what you've all been waiting for this entire time, all right? So, Kaylee, are you ready to rumble?
Here, I'm going to spin it.
Let's switch sides. All right, let's do this. I could probably warm my hands up from this. It's like a fire. Oh, there we go. Very abrupt. All right, so
weird.
What do we got? Oh, I'll do a double-sided. Gabe Franker.
Gabe Franker.
Greg Franker, you're getting a drone.
How do you like that shit?
So I want all of your roof inspection content sent to me. Just email me. Yep, and that way I can have it for our internal marketing, right? So congratulations on the drone. You just got a drone. That's huge. Thank you, TJ Ware from Paradise Claims. You know, we're really rooting for you. So just know that. We hope to see you #1. But hey, it's all about the people that vote on winthestorm.com, okay? So make sure you go over to winthestorm.com and vote today. Vote every day. Go ahead and do that. Just spam that button, but you can only vote once. So anyways, thank you guys. That is our
free giveaway Friday.
Okay, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is our
Free Friday.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you all for coming. Friday.
Weekend.
Peace.
I think Win the Storm would be described as the #1 insurance restoration industry networking event. It's also a great way for people to hype up their teams and to set goals and try to achieve them.
Our business has exploded the last 3 or 4 years. 80% of that is through Storm Ventures, affiliates, and people I've met through the industry, just through the Facebook you guys have, and also the trade show. So it's been a thriving part of our business for sure.
You wonder what the next move is, you know, where the trends are going, how is your next round of business coming? And building those relationships with your customers, with property management companies, and with people within the industry through SVG is invaluable.